this thing. Are you saying it? I have S25, S23, S24. Hey guys, good day, welcome back to my video. So guys, in this video I am going to be unboxing my new phone that I received today, you know. So I just received it today. You guys know that in October I unboxed one new phone too, so that phone I have sent it back to them. So I decided to go for this new one. Okay, this S25 Ultra is Samsung, you know, so it just came out this month. You know me, I'm not a fan of iPhone, so that's why I prefer using Samsung. All right, so guys, let's see what is inside. So I am going to be unboxing it now. Let's see how it looks like. Let's see whether I'm waiting I order versus what I receive, you know. Wow, are you seeing it? It's showing good. So this is my phone. I hope everything is complete here. So this is it. So this is my phone. So I want to remove this. Are you seeing it? So this is S25 Ultra, Galaxy S25 Ultra. Is this color that I took? So everything, I'll put it there. Did they show it? Wow, this is my new phone. You see, it's different though. So guys, this is my phone, but it's so light, it's not that big, you know. So guys, this is the phone. Are you seeing the camera? So this one, give me this one. This one here, this one is my husband's one. This one is S24 Ultra. So this one is S20. This one is S24 Ultra. Why this one is a S25 Ultra? It just came out. It's so light, you know. It's so light. So I'll show you guys S23 also. Now I want to switch my phone. This one is the S25 Ultra. So this is the phone that I just unboxed. Are you seeing it? So it's very, very flat. So this is it. So let me remove this thing. Are you saying it? I have not on it too. So I will keep everything here. I will keep everything because in case of a case it is so that I will still package it back to the seller, you know, till all this protection that I buy come, you know. So this is the stuff that it came with. I think it have charger, suppose have cable. Okay, have cable, charger. You have all those things. Me, I don't like to remove everything yet. So this is what it came with. So this is the charger. Oh, this one back here. I'll keep this one here. But I don't want any storage that touch. I still have a charger at home. So this one is S24 Ultra. This one is S24 Ultra. It's Samsung. This is the one my husband is using. Why this one is the one that I'm using? This is S23 Ultra. So I bought another one before, S23 Ultra. That one is a 512 MB. Why this one here is 252 MB. It's not reaching me to make video. That's why I got the other one. I go buy the other one. But that one was having, it's not that I have issue. It was not having this video player. I tried downloading it, but it was not working. So I have to send it back to the seller, you know. They refund me back my money. So that's the money I asked on to buy this, okay? I did not even buy this on cash. In this abroad, okay, might not talk the rest. So this one here is my husband's own. Let me remove my own S23 Ultra. Okay, this one is mine. Are you seeing it? I put protector everywhere. Even this one is sticker. When I remove it, it's like new, you know. So this one is S23 Ultra. This S25 Ultra is lighter. You see, it's lighter. Everything is almost the same thing. It's bigger. Is it the same?
It's a bit smaller.
It's taller than this S25. This one is taller. You see? You see? You see? So this one now is S25, S24. It's like S20. Which one is wider? It's like this one. This one is longer. So S23 is longer. So why S25 is like S25 display is wider. So S24 is the same display. S24 is the same display like S25. No, like S23. So S24 has the same size with S23, the same size, the same display. But this S25 is long, is bigger, is wider, you know, than S24 and S23, you know. So I need to on it so for it to see it. I've known this AJ8, so let's on it. That's my new phone. When you are a content creator, one phone, two phones is not the day enough. You need to get more phones, you know. You need to get more phone. Next. is the phone. So this is my new phone, the S25 Ultra. So this is the camera, S23 Ultra camera. This S25 Ultra camera is bigger, you know. So S24 Ultra camera, so it's almost the same thing with this. So I'll try the camera in my other video, in my next video. Okay, so this is the camera. It's very, very pure. Because we'll zoom it. It's very, very pure. Are you seeing it? So it will even scan, you see? So it's very, very pure. So it zooms so fast. This is my new phone, S25, S23, S24. So guys, thank you all for watching. See you guys in my next video, and bye. Please help me to share this video. You know, help me to share this video.